Welcome, AP Stats. Mr. Miller here with the pleasure, the sheer honest pleasure to talk to you about Stapplet.com. Great program for us. And you're probably like, well, Mr. Miller, hey, when you're done, why don't you start talking about an iron or something for that shirt you got there? I know, I'm feeling it, man. I saw that shirt. I was like, oh, do I got time to iron it? No, I don't. So I'm rolling with it. Okay, so Stapplet.com. Let's first go to the website, you and me. Let's do this thing. Screen share. It is. Okay, so we may be using, we will be using this website a lot. But for now, we're going to look at one quantitative variable. So let's go to one quantitative variable and click it. All right, I'll back that up in case I went so fast you didn't see it. You're like, whoa, I didn't even see that. So here you go, one quantitative variable. Single group. All right, there it is, single group. Click. Okay, so variable name, you don't have to put a variable name, but it's good to do so. So we know it's kind of the number of female pilots is what we were going for there. Now we need some data. So let's take a look at a screen that's kind of similar to what you're going to be working with. Let's go over here. I just made up this data, but we've got some hypothetical students doing the simulation. So what we're going to do is cut and paste. So just highlight it all and hit copy or Command C, whatever you're rolling with. And then I'm going to copy that data. I'm going to go back to Stapplet. All right. And I'm just going to Command V. I'm just going to paste it in there. Now the data just needs to be separated by commas or spaces. So even though it looks kind of janky because there's a lot of spaces and then a little bit of space, it's still going to work perfectly. So it's fine. Just hit begin analysis and there you go. Voila. This is a beautiful dot plot. Don't you worry, in class we are going to talk a lot about dot plots. So that's not the point here to describe this, but just look at it. You can probably figure out what it means. Down here, Stapplet gives you your summary statistics, gives you the sample size, gives you well, number of data points. Shouldn't say sample size, but the size of the data set. Mean, so there's your average, got your standard deviation, and you got your 5-number summary right there. So that's the beautiful thing. This is quantitative data, so we've got a few ways to visualize it and represent it. You could do it with a histogram. There you go. So now we've got different bins, and you can see how much data is in each bin. You can go with a box plot, as beautiful, or a stem plot. So that's it. That's what you got to use for Stapplet. Pretty smooth program. And I hope you are having a beautiful day. I'm going to go find me that iron and clean up my shirt. All right, take care, everybody. Be kind to each other.